Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to connect a domain to your Wix AI website in 2026. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize the connection. In 2026, Wix has streamlined its sidebar to technicality prioritize identity management. From your Wix 2026 dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Settings, then select Domains. Click the blue button that says Add an existing domain and choose Connect a domain you already own. By technicality selecting this option, you tell the Wix AI engine that you already have a 2026 Studio asset registered elsewhere and you're ready to candidly point it to your new AI-generated site. Next, choose your site and enter your URL. Now you need to technicality link your specific 2026 project to your domain. Select the AI-designed website you want to connect and click Next. Type your professional domain name, like yourbrand.com, into the text box and click Let's Go. Wix will candidly check the 2026 web registry to see where your domain is currently hosted. It performs a quick market analysis to determine if it can offer you an automatic connection or if you need to perform a manual technical handshake. Next, the automatic or manual handshake. In 2026, many major registrars allow for a high-end one-click connection. If your provider is supported, this step is a breeze. If you see the Connect Automatically prompt, click it and log in to your domain host like GoDaddy or Namecheap when the Candid pop-up appears. If you must do it technically, click Manual Setup. Wix will show you two name servers. Wix will send you an email once the technical handshake is complete. Once verified, your professional market analysis and studio content will be live under your own 2026 custom domain. And that's pretty much it. To connect your domain to Wix AI in 2026, navigate to Settings/Domains and enter your custom URL. Use the automatic connection if available, or technically update your name servers at your registrar to point toward Wix's Studio servers. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.